Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time. And then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload. And then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. Um, but yeah, let's get into the video. Hi guys, today's video is gonna be different. I'm gonna be doing a Old Navy haul. Yes, I was gonna do a try on, but it seemed like a lot of work to just take off all my clothes, put it back on, take them off. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But as of right now, I'm just going to do it this way because it's easy. The first thing I got was this sick ass sheep. Yeah, I think it's sheep. It's a sheep, some kind of jacket. It's like one of those denim lumberjack kind of jackets. Oh my god, this jacket looks so good. If you like wear rings with it, and then you have like a dress shirt. So I got this. I believe it was. Let me check about my receipt. Oh, I do not. Oh, it's in here. This jacket was $80, but it was on sale for 50% off, so I got it for $40. It's still pretty expensive. I don't usually buy clothes that often, so I was like, oh, this better be worth it. But yeah, this jacket is very stylish. I love this. Oh, so nice. So I got that. I got these jeans. Pretty nice. These are just some pretty standard jeans, but they fit me really nice. I'm pretty sure they made my ass look good, so I'm the size slim 30-30. And was this one on sale too? Yeah, I think this was like 50% off. So I got, normally they're $40, but I got it for sorry. But I got these for $20. I am slim 30-30. These are just some pretty regular jeans. Then I got this. Oh my god, I love this shirt. This shirt is so beautiful. So this is like very Christmassy. I love it because it's red and green, but it's also black. I love doing black with like pops of color. I think it looks so good. But this is my Christmas shirt. This with the jacket. Oh my god, it looks so good. Actually, this is the only thing I'm gonna try on, but let me show you the rest. I got these. These are like, I think they're called acid wash jeans, where they're like, they basically look bleached. And yeah, I got these for $20 as well. I don't know. I wonder if my butt is gonna look good in these because they're pretty white, so it's gonna make it stand out more. And then I also got one more pair, but those I took to my dad's house. They were like khakis. Those khakis make my ass look so good. Ugh. But yeah, let me try this on real quick. Oof, it's gonna look so good, so good, so good. Hold up. Let's see. Um, it was so cute because Pablo ended up getting something similar to this, but like not the same. So we kind of looked like we were matching, but not really matching. It was like the cutest thing. Let's do that. So ignore my shorts. Oh my gosh, this shirt looks so good, especially with my green hair. Oh, it was just an outfit. I don't like my glasses though. I want to like take them off. So there's that. Then you want to rock this. Oh my god. Oh my god, but do you see how good this looks? Oof. Oh, you just look like a lumberjack man, you know? Looking good, looking good. It's gonna be sad when my green hair goes away, but it's cool. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm super into, like, when I don't feel like I like my hair that day, I'll, like, put on a hat. It's kind of tough with curly hair, but you make it work. And then just do that. Oof. Oh gosh, it looks so good. I wish I had black piercings though. Oh, that would look so freaking good. Oh my god. I'm so damn fine. But that's it. I love it. Love how it looks. Looks so good. I want to get like a gold chain too, actually. Gold or silver. I don't know. Message me on which one do you think I should get. Or if I should button this up all the way. I feel like I would look good buttoned up. But let me know, guys. I trust your opinion. And let's play the outro. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all. Like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8. And I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.